Tata's potential battery factory in Somerset, a boost for UK EV production. Tata, the parent company of Jaguar Land Rover, is reportedly on the brink of finalizing a deal to establish a substantial electric car battery factory in Bridgewater, Somerset. This move is seen as crucial for ensuring the sustainability of electric vehicle (EV) production in the UK, particularly in light of concerns over battery supply sufficiency to maintain tariff-free EV production. Key highlights: 1. Job creation. Bullet. The factory is expected to create up to 9,000 jobs, providing a significant boost to the local economy and the broader UK automotive sector. 2. Government support. Bullet. The UK government is purportedly ready to offer a combination of cash grants, energy subsidies, and funding for upskilling and research, potentially amounting to £500 million. This financial package aims to incentivize Tata to select the UK over other potential sites, such as Spain. 3. Strategic importance. Bullet. Establishing this gigafactory in the UK would be a strategic win, given the existing challenges in securing battery supplies essential for tariff-free EV production post-Brexit. Bullet. This would be the UK's third gigafactory, following projects by British Volt, now Recharge Industries in Blyth, and another yet-to-be-confirmed facility. 4. Broader impact. Bullet. In addition to the battery factory, the UK government has reportedly offered support to Tata for upgrading and decarbonising its steel operations in Port Talbot, North Wales. This indicates a broader commitment to fostering green industrial initiatives in the UK. 5. Competitiveness in Europe. Bullet. While Europe has 35 gigafactories in development, this new facility would help the UK keep pace with continental advancements in EV infrastructure and production capabilities. Implications. Bullet. Economic boost. The creation of up to 9,000 jobs will provide significant economic benefits to the Somerset area and contribute to the overall growth of the UK automotive industry. Bullet. Sustainable production. Ensuring a reliable battery supply chain is essential for the UK's ambitions to remain competitive in the EV market, particularly as stricter emission regulations and Brexit-related trade challenges come into play. Bullet. Government investment. The substantial financial commitment from the UK government underscores the importance of securing key industrial projects to drive economic growth and technological advancement. Bullet. Green technology. Supporting Tata's decarbonisation efforts aligns with the UK's broader goals of reducing industrial carbon emissions and promoting sustainable technologies. Conclusion. The potential deal between Tata and the UK government for the establishment of a battery factory in Somerset represents a significant strategic move to bolster the UK's position in the global EV market. By addressing supply chain concerns and fostering job creation, this development could pave the way for a more sustainable and competitive automotive sector in the UK. The anticipated official announcement next week will confirm the specifics and mark a significant milestone for UK industrial policy.